Well, hello everybody. It's Monday and we're really close to Thanksgiving. We have a westbound grain train for your enjoyment. And mine too. Didn't have to wait very long either. And it's not that cold today. So my fingers will be nice and warm. I don't have too much going on Thursday. Well, I hope everybody on the other side of this camera is going to have a nice festive feast. I might be stuck at Denny's. Oh, that's right, they closed. All right, let's switch around. Yeah, I got two tracks here. The one right in front of me, they go pretty quick. The other one, no, not really. They kind of like got an S curve when you get towards the yard. So they slow down a big time. Yeah, it's been raining like cats and dogs lately. I don't think I've seen so much rain over here in just a few days. Well, let's flip around to the other side. Oh, this tripod. I see a train way down there, but I don't know. It could be that remote controlled engine. I don't know. Not bad for one engine. There's a few in the back, but I don't know if they're helping out. They might be. Uh-oh. What are you doing? That's a good long train, I must admit. Not bad at all. And there's the two engines in the back. I'll see if they're making any rumbling sounds. something's going on. Maybe they're helping. Oh, 59.37 and 43.92. Yeah, they're helping. There. This guy's running around the neighborhood in his four-wheeler. First time I saw him, he was on two wheels. He was going at least 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks on two wheels. Pretty cool. I want to see if I can film him, but I don't know. If he stops over, I might. Okay, everybody, that train has passed by. So, everybody take care. I'm going to stay out here and see if I can catch more trains. Everybody take care. Bill out.